Hi guys, welcome. We are in today's quick video session tutorial going to run you through accessing the market charts for analysis and actually adding indicators and technical tools to help you with your trading decisions. So we already spoke in the first tutorial about how to open trades and look at the different currencies and commodities and other instruments that we offer, and how to actually see your trade in live time. And now to open the charts, you can open as many charts as you like. You can save them. Probably nicely recommended actually at this point would be to purchase at some stage a nice little computer screen if you want to see many charts at one time and really help you get a 360 view of the markets. But even in small laptops and on the go, you can actually host a whole array of charts and make them custom to whatever size you want. So to open the charts, you simply click on this icon over here on the top here where you have all of your profiles, the new chart icon, and you can select your chart from all of our pairs here and just click on it and the chart will open. But even easier perhaps, you can actually just directly choose your currency, i.e. GBP let's say, and just drag it onto the chart section here like so, and the chart will instantly open. You can move the chart according to the size you want it here. And of course, if you're using the most famous candlestick charts, then you can edit these here. On the top you have all kinds of options for candlestick charts, line charts, bar charts. So if I'm going to watch candlesticks, I'm going to click candlesticks. Now the charts will be candlesticks. Zoom in, you can see your candles there, and you can obviously choose the coloring of the chart. Okay, now it's black, and you see that markets that go up are green and markets that fall are white, but you probably may wish to have these more clearly labeled in red and green. So you just right click the chart, go to properties, edit the colors of the chart. So the background we now make white, the foreground instead black. Bar ups will be indicated by blue, bar downs perhaps by black. Okay, those are the spikes during the sessions, but you may fill in what's called a bull candle, i.e. if the market's going up, in green, and show your downward moving sell-off candles in red, and then just click OK, and now you have your chart in green and red. You can open as many charts, as I said, as you like. Okay, that's an old chart. One second, let's close that and open a new one. Here we have Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. This time, instead of actually dragging, I'm going to right click, chart window. There is my chart. Size it to how I want. Again, you can have as many as you want. Choose bar chart, let's say. Zoom into the candles. Okay, I can look at these in 1 minute time frames if I'm doing quick trading. 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day charts. 1 week charts here for the long-term trends. Okay, and you can edit your charts with all of the tools for analysis you need here on the top. You have here trend lines, you have crosshairs if you want to do calculations. For example, to see how far this drop was, you could just hold the crosshair here, left click, drag down all the way to the bottom, and you get numbers. The middle section is telling you how many pips the market fell. In this case it's 1,520 pips. So that saves you a lot of time and energy from actually having to calculate it yourself, which of course we all would love to do when we want to save time and focus more on our trading. Trend lines. Here I can draw a trend line like so. Okay, I could possibly just draw a channel straight away like so. I can show it to you now in blue. Okay, I may want to increase this trend line. There we go. You can move everything manually by double clicking on the lines, moving them as you wish. You can right click on them, channel properties, change the color of them. Okay, so I can make this fluorescent blue, turquoise, sorry, make it thicker, and there you have it. Okay, and obviously you have a ridiculous amount of technical indicators. And take our course, please. our actually manual course that we have. Please ask support for it if you don't have it, which explains to you how to trade with all the indicators that are used by professional traders around the world. But to get your indicators on charts, simply go to the toolbar on the top where it says Insert Indicators and choose your indicators. You have the main ones up on the top, but then you can be more specific and look at trending indicators, oscillators, volume indicators. So if I want trend indicators, the famous moving average, I would just click on it and I would choose how much of a moving average I wanted, i.e. if I was on a daily chart or a weekly chart, then I would choose the number of weeks or days depending on what chart I'm on that I want analyzed, okay, and just type it in here and click OK. So for example, if I'm on a weekly chart on the Aussie dollar CAD and I want to see what the average price is for the last 10 weeks, I just click 10. It's going to come up in red, but we can choose, let's say, orange, and I want it to come up with a thick line. My 10-week moving average now, OK. As you can see, oh my bad, that was for the GBP chart, sorry, is very clearly visible on the GBP chart. Okay, so in actual fact it's showing you the 10 periods moving average on a 1 hour chart, so for the last 10 hours. So if we were going to do it again here on the Aussie CAD weekly, okay, I'll show you again, then you would simply go to Insert Indicators, find my trending indicator here, moving average, again 10 weeks, because it's a weekly chart, style orange, OK. Now you can see that the price here is obviously above the 10-week moving average, and you can do that with as many indicators as you want on as many charts as you want. Here's the Bollinger Bands, for example, in turquoise. OK, I'm going to make it very, very thick. There you have them now. Probably not advised to make them so thick. Okay, and of course you have more concurrent indicators and manual indicators, such as the famous Fibonacci lines and retracement points that you can put in here. It's symbolized by an F. So if I click on the pound dollar chart, enlarge it by double clicking, click F, I can look at a Fibonacci retracement by just literally drawing from lows to highs. You can understand how to use this in our written course again, and let go, and you can see your Fibonacci levels here coming at 23, 38, 50, 61% retracements as the options. Okay, that's how you use charts, that's how you add indicators, and we hope you enjoyed watching. Join us next time for our more advanced technical tools videos. Take care, bye bye.